Did you know that hot water can freeze faster than cold water? We're taught from the moment we can reason that to get something cold, you must start cold. It's simple physics. It's common sense. But what if the greatest truths are often hiding in plain sight, waiting for a single, curious mind to expose the lie? In 1963, in the dusty, sun-baked heart of Tanzania, a simple question was asked. A high school student named Mpemba was mixing up ice cream. He noticed something impossible. His hot mixture, placed in the freezer alongside a cooler one, was solid first. When he reported his finding, that hot water can sometimes freeze faster than cold water, his teacher, and indeed the entire scientific community, laughed. They said, "It's impossible. You must be mistaken." Imagine the courage it took for a young man to stand up against centuries of accepted wisdom. From Aristotle to Descartes, everyone knew that to cool something down you had to follow a perfectly descending path. But Mpemba knew what he saw. He had witnessed a paradox. The phenomenon was real. It was true. And now it had a name: the Mpemba effect. But why? Why would a substance that has to lose a greater amount of energy, more heat, reach the freezing point first? For decades, scientists have battled over the explanation. There isn't just one single reason, but a handful of brilliant factors working together to defy our expectations. Here are the three main secrets that turn the tables in favor of the hot water. 1. Evaporation is a secret weapon. The hot water has a higher rate of evaporation. As it evaporates, it rapidly reduces its total volume. Think of it this way: less water left to freeze means less energy needs to be removed overall. It's cheating the finish line. 2. The frost barrier. When you place cold water in a freezer, the container sits on the rack. The cold water starts freezing at the bottom, creating a layer of insulating frost. This layer acts like a tiny blanket, slowing down the heat loss from the water above it. Hot water, however, initially melts this frost, ensuring better, direct thermal contact with the cold surface. 3. Convection's dance. Hot water has much more dramatic convection currents, the swirling movement of water as it heats and cools. This rapid movement ensures the hottest part of the water is always cycling to the top to release its heat. The cold water is more stable, relying on slower, less efficient cooling. The Mpemba effect is more than just a trick for ice cubes. It's a powerful lesson. For centuries, science rejected a truth because it didn't fit the established pattern. A simple observation from a high school student was all it took to challenge the giants of history. It reminds us that often, the answers to our greatest challenges, the ones we assume have a direct, easy path, might actually require us to start from a position of greater heat. So, the next time you're loading the ice tray, or perhaps facing a seemingly impossible problem in your own life, remember Mpemba. If you need to cool down a situation, sometimes the most counterintuitive hot approach is the fastest way to get a solid result. Embrace the paradox. Don't be afraid to try the solution that everyone else calls impossible. Go try the experiment for yourself, and let us know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.